TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field. It is around data entry. This company is hiring a data entry specialist. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the radiology company, Virtual Radiologic. They have 108 reviews on their Glassdoor page with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a payer specialist, payer being like insurance, data entry specialist. Now, one thing to note, if you are interested in applying, when you click the link to go to their page, it's going to load like this, and you'll have to scroll down just a little bit. It talks about working with them, their team, and about middle way down the page, it says open positions, and there's 3 gray boxes listed. You specifically want to click on the one that says Payer Services Data Entry Clerk Remote. So if you click that, there'll be a Apply Online button right under that with the job description. Now, again, they are hiring a payer services data entry clerk. This position is 100% remote work from home. They're looking for somebody to work with the payer services supervisor with projects pertaining to all aspects of their revenue cycle. So you're going to work directly with third-party billing vendors like insurance companies, clients to obtain missing billing information and successfully collect reimbursement for professional radiology services. You'll be pulling reports from the billing vendors reporting system to analyze outstanding missing billing information. Of course, you're going to communicate any questions or updates you have to your supervisor. You'll follow up with requests from the departments for information requested needed to meet department goals. You're going to review and calculate the necessary data to make sure you're in compliance with Medicare's quality payment program, and you'll oversee updates that are needed to improve the workflow. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has great communication skills, someone who's the ability to access hospital and billing information systems securely, so you need a secure place in your house to work, someone who is good working under pressure, can troubleshoot issues, and of course, you've got to have medical terminology knowledge. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.